For Uzbek enterprises here with us today, if you are looking to tap into the vast Chinese market, Hong Kong is your ideal partner. Hong Kong speaks the language of international business. Our financial experts can help you raise capital. Our lawyers, accountants, and arbitration specialists can guide you and your business every step of the way.
Buning uchun barcha imkoniyatlarga egamiz. So'nggi yillarda Xitoydan O'zbekistonga jalb qilinayotgan to'g'ridan-to'g'ri investitsiyalar hajmi 5 baravarga oshib, 2025-yilda
So let's start begin with the first document. Is the agreement
Sharq tushiring pastga. Mana o'rab qo'yganlari bor, o'shani pastroq tushiring.